it's Jan with Homebody Creations. Thanks so much for joining me. This technique I'm showing today is called a grenade pour, and it has to do with the way the paint comes out of the cup once I remove the pin and the air pressure is released. Although nothing about this painting suggests something blew up, it's soft, serene, and absolutely soothing and easy on the eyes. I made this one out of a custom mint paint, pink, pearl, and gold, all iridescence, and it came out just so lovely and so relaxing. I hope you enjoy this one. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to comment below or visit my website at homebodycreations.com. Thanks for listening.